These three skiers had a lucky escape after being caught in a dangerous avalanche. Danes Christian Clausen, Thomas Moll and Nicholas Kanstrup were off-piste in Whistler, Canada last year when one of them accidentally triggered the mishap. Thomas started to transverse a steep slope. Shortly after Powell, Nikolai had started his descent. Panic set in as the snow beneath him started to give way, sweeping Thomas away and cascading towards Nikolai. Nikolai was battered by the impact and knocked 15 metres, losing both skis and poles. Thomas fell almost the entire length of the run, 70 metres, and was buried up to his chest. Fortunately, the Category 1 avalanche left his head clear, and he was able to breathe until his friends dug him free. All three men were thankfully unharmed.